Hi guys, I'm sitting in my tree again, but I'm sitting the other way. This is gonna fall. If I all of a sudden go sideways, it's because the camera fell. I don't know if you can see the branches in front of you. But yeah, I'm just sitting out here, finally get outside. And my dog is down there digging a hole for her ball. And I'm getting bit by mosquitoes like crazy. Oh, I thought that was a dog coming. Well, it's still hot out. It's not as bad, but it's still hot. So I was going to try and do some flexing in the tree here, as long as I don't fall out. It's not that high. It's really not. It's just it's just a little bit. I don't really climb trees. But, okay, let's see. I don't have any weights with me because I can't bring them. My dogs are playing. That's the smaller arm. I can't really see because I have like branches right there, helping hold the camera. See, I don't think I'm gonna turn around because I might fall. So yeah, I am out in nature today. I love it. Okay, let me try to move this a little bit. No. You can see the other one that way. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna stop for now and maybe do one tonight. So be safe, be happy, and be healthy, and I'll see you next time.